Hello, this video is going to show you how to fix an issue if the remote is not working or the wall switch is not operating the door. So basically you cannot operate the door neither with the remote or with the wall switch. The thing is that you need to locate that part here, that black piece here, which is called the trolley. If it's somewhere on the track, it means that it's not where it should be. It should be located inside this part. So to bring the trolley back to that plastic part, you need to go to the wall switch and push the button. This is bringing back the trolley where it should be. And now, what you will be doing is that you will be re-engaging that piece here, the lever, okay? So now the lever is horizontal. If it's vertical, it's not operating. So let's see. Now you go back to the wall switch, and it's operating the door.